So this is the Crookwell Service Club. Crookwell is in the Upper Lachlan Shire. About 2,000 people. We do get a lot of visitors on from Sydney and Canberra on the weekends. It does get a bit cold. We're about 950 metres on the Great Dividing Range. In a community like Crookwell, having the facilities in a club like this, it's really important to the whole community. Like we have service meetings and food and beverage, and sponsor a lot of sporting organisations, and it's almost an essential part of the community. Crookwell Service Club is the biggest facility in town, able to host sort of a fairly large crowd, up to 150 to 200 people. So we quite often have large meetings, weddings. We also have bowling greens, wakes are held here. And yeah, we cater for any sort of size event. Having recently settled on the purchase of the club, the members decided that we want to rejuvenate the place and give it a fresh new look. The starting point was this area, and then we'll move on from there. The layout and the furniture that was at the club before had been around here for a long time, and we knew that when we wanted to update, we sort of thought we didn't want to skimp at all on quality. We wanted to know that the furniture here is going to be around here for years to come. We want it to look good the whole time it's here. The feedback that we've got to date on the renovations and the freshening up and the new furniture has been really A1. Definitely to date, and over time we'll see a real increase in membership, and that increases everything else as the club goes. Just having that nice fresher approach. Revamp and rejuvenating and having a nice fresh look is also a good way to encourage sort of a more younger base and a younger membership. So when you're travelling in and around Crookwell and you're exploring our gardens and our great farms and having a look around, don't forget to call into the club and have a great feed and a beer with us.